I'm here to talk about something that people feel is really complex, but is actually really simple. I'm also here to talk about something that's really simple, Mary Had a Little Lamb, that's actually a little more complex than people give it credit for. I'm talking about the 5-7-13 chord, or sometimes just called the 5-13 chord. I'm going to suggest in this and the rest of my chord series that you start to think about chords as a collection of notes within a certain tonality. So if you're in major, and you have the notes so, ti, re, and fa, you have a 5-7 chord. It doesn't matter how you arrange these notes. So, ti, re, fa. You can mix them up in any order you want. You can double some of them. You can get rid of some of them completely. I'm looking at you, re. But no matter what, you have a 5-7 chord. Once you realize this, you just need to figure out what note to add to that collection to get a more complicated chord, like the 5-7-13 chord. And the answer is actually really simple. It's mi. If you add mi, the third scale degree, to a 5-7 chord of so, ti, re, and fa, you get a 5-7-13 chord. It can be in the melody, it can be in an inner voice, it can be anywhere, but you get that sound. If I have a chord that has fa, so, and ti in it, and I add mi on top, I get a 5-7 chord. It's a 5-7 chord going back to 1 with that 13 extension. Once you start hearing this sound, you're going to hear it everywhere. Let's look at a couple examples. All right, let's take a look at the end of Amazing Grace, a song I'm sure you've heard a million times and your ear is used to the sounds of. Was blind, but now I see. That ending is that same 5-7-13. But mi, re, do, but 5-7-13 down to 1. Using that same concept in a song that I've heard a million times. How about the Folgers coffee theme? The best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup. Mi, re, do. It's mi harmonized by that 5-7 chord. And there you go. There's a lot of cool possibilities with that descending line. Mi, re, do, like all of our examples had. That line can be used to set up a really safe, secure, expected resolution back to 1, or it can be exploited to do something deceptive and lead your ear to a different place because your ear so badly wants to hear mi, re, do. If you harmonize do with something other than the 1 chord, you get some really cool possibilities. Let's take a look. All right, let's look at a couple examples of these resolutions. We're going to be going from 5-7-13 to 1. And we're going to do it using that melody. Mi, re, do. So that was our original 5-7 to 1. Let's hear what it would sound like if we went somewhere else, like to the subdominant. We'll go to the 4 this time. That one sounds nice. How about if we go somewhere else? We're going to go this time to the 6 minor. Nice. That one sounds really good too. How about somewhere really deceptive? This time we'll go to the flat 2 major 7, one of my favorites. So see, the pull of that melody from mi, re, do is so strong that you can harmonize it however you want, and you're still going to feel that sense of resolution at the end. So go out and start using the 5-7 chord, and start giving Mary Had a Little Lamb the credit it deserves.